with a finale dance. You remember that song?
Breezy
Afternoon.
How does it feel when you got no?
Boy, Jesus, they didn't see a earring.
How does it feel when you got no?
Good vibes in the thing called.
It's always a good feeling to make a trek down memory lane, whether physically, by returning to your childhood home, or reminiscing on the good old days. Here are some things that remind us of the good old days.
Okay. I'm very eager to see these things. I used to have a lot of these in my ear when my mother used to comb it into 2 or 3. And do you used to
have an animal clip? If you have an animal shape clip, not now going for.
Sometimes you would have 2 at the end.
Yeah.
Or 3, and then 1 like right here into the root part.
And me have a yellow bell, like a yellow bell to put in your yellow clip, red bell to my red clip.
Accessorizing. Oh my gosh. Yes, we remember this one for sure, Kerry. For sure.
Animal clip.
Oh gosh!
But still I do it though, Kerry. Why you say who loved?
Why you say that?
Because it's fun.
So you put the paper over the coin and then you shade. Why did we do this?
Because we have nothing.
Why did we do this? What was the
point?
point?
Take a pencil and shade it, and we're proud of ourselves. When we're done, look for me thing, look for me, look for me thing, I children. Oh my God. You see it? The simple things.
Jinx. The simple.
We used to be contented with the simple things.
We didn't have no tablet back them time. There no hex box and no, you know. Okay. What's okay?
This still a go on, Kerry. Other memories. This cricket yardie style.
Still never did play cricket, but
Caribbean style. That's how they play cricket right across the region.
Yeah. Which some people are still doing
I don't know why she keeps saying memories like people not do it still.
Close pin pound finger every day. It's not really a whole thing.
Oh my God, why did we do these things?
Aye! Oh my gosh. This was a trip. You have to be skilled archer to do this though, but trust me.
It was worth it, but you really did have to know to do it.
I think this was our tablet back in the day, no?
Yes.
This is a Rubik's Cube.
Yes.
Rubber band, spider web.
This was our achievement. Using the rubber bands to make all kind of things.
With no tutorial. We were brilliant back then.
Sit down and work it out now.
I think so.
This was our pep, guys. Critical thinking.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Oh.
I don't know why Kerry still has a back in the days. I don't know.
Mine were not colored though. Mine were transparent. That and the runner.
Let me tell you something.
And the plastic over the chair.
You see, the more we look at these things now, you understand why our generation are the critical thinkers that we are. Because you have to figure out how to get past this.
And don't hurt yourself.
And don't make enough sound.
Oh.
Don't make a sound, because usually it's the kitchen doorway, you know.
Is it?
Sometimes kitchen doorway, sometimes
living room.
Living room.
I find more
between living room and bedroom. So when your mother said, go to your bed, if you have teeth back out of the bedroom for going to the kitchen or for going to watch TV,
you gotta learn how to sneak
you have to know how to pass them beads, you know. And them not make a sound.
Them so loud. Father.
You touch them and your mother say, who is going out there? So you have to learn how to
oh man.
And get through. Critical thinking.
Memory lane.
Critical thinking.
Memory lane.
That's
right.
right.
Go on, more. Yes, man. Oh gosh. I used to do this all the time.
Yes.
When my mother used to travel very regular. And she would just be like, Sim, draw your foot and a piece of paper. Paper.
The problem too is when you draw the foot, you have to give it a little space. people
So
put,
the shoes don't tight?
so the shoes not tight. And also when you're putting this into the shoes you're buying, you have to put your hand at the top of it.
Wait a minute. So you put this into the shoes? You never just put the shoes onto it?
You can put it in the shoes too, but guess what you do too? You have to make sure so your hand goes in with it so that it gets to the top of it. And everywhere and it fold up in there, you think so the right size and the wrong size.
I have a question to ask
Inside and outside.
So why we couldn't just say size?
Nobody never know them shoes in a sell by size. Nobody know about shoes and sell by size.
Foolishness. Was there ever a
You
time
have
when...
to dry your foot. Because UK size and America size and Jamaica size are different size.
37 versus 6 or 7.5. All right, good points. All right, next. This still happen, miss.
Still happen. Nothing sweet like this.
Still attack true fence.
Nothing sweet like this.
Still happening. Run the next track. Oh, Jesus. G.I.
Oh my
Joe's.
gosh.
Even girls, everybody had those.
Where are they now?
Everybody had those.
Where are they
They
now?
look a little more realistic now, unfortunately.
Now they're on video game.
Correct.
Now they're on video game. We used to have them in our hand. I run up and down with them. Well, yeah, you kids are not having fun, man. We used to have a soldier in our hand.
Me.
We have a soldier in our hand. Yes. No, they're on video game. I would just press a button. That's like
not fun.
No.
Womp womp.
Womp womp.
The next one, the kerosene lamp, is something that people still have in their homes. So
do you know people could iron on the lamp?
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
When it gets hot enough, run the fabric on it, and it would iron. Yes.
I was today years old.
When you learned that.
But thank you for sharing that.
Yes.
With me.
Yes.
Did you know that?
Yes.
Okay, thanks, Harris. Harris know all of these things. Yes, man. Oh gosh.
It's still the national rock, though. It's not memories.
And in order to wear it properly, it has to be in your back pocket. Yes.
It's still
National Rag of Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
What is now? When you don't your last marble. Marble is still a thing too.
Mm-hmm.
Even though a lot of our kids don't and never have played a marble game.
Critical thinking. You have to know if you get the marble. Yes, man. The angle and the force and everything. Some physics are work out right as I know.
I can see that in the top left-hand corner.
Yeah, man. Because the foot too, you know. The
trajectory,
angle of the foot is a
yes,
critical part of. Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, yes.
Read.
Me and Aaron still play this. Shame. I don't want to go to my son. Of course, there's a big fat policeman at the door. If you're licking on him foot, boy, you might go. If you're licking on him, Lord, you might go holler. You don't know that song?
I know.
If you know what happened when you lick him on his foot?
I realized from the bleeped version of the... I realized a while ago there was
a Stagger Lee.
That's one I know.
Yeah.
Who stole the cookie from the...
Me stole the cookie from the cookie jar. Couldn't me? That is who? Yes. Big game. All right. What is the next one?
Oh my gosh. You see nowadays when you just press rewind, them time you have to take out the VHS. You probably could rewind it in the thing, but you also have to take the pen.
Just like with the cassette.
Like the cassette, wind it up.
And splice.
And there was a big thing renting VHS tapes. And the people you rent from used to tell you, say you have to rewind before you return.
It's so
if you
true.
don't rewind before you return, there's an
cost.
extra charge. If you borrow the tape for how much day, you have to return it. If it's late, you're gonna get an extra charge. Oh my gosh, renting VHS tapes.
And it was a big business.
Thing.
Thriving business. Last lick. Is this ours? Is this our last lick? Is this the last one? Okay, so last week, everybody. Cree. That's it.
All right.
That was fun.
Nice.
Remember
All right.
All right, guys. Up next, Level Up will tell you how you can upcycle your clothing, especially as summer approaches.